everybody, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another one of the Too Faced looks. I was trying to get caught up last month and it didn't work out because I ended up having some issues with my face, so I couldn't put makeup on. But my face is all like cleared up, it's looking amazing. So we're going to go ahead and get caught up on this, and so I'm only 1 month behind, so it's not too bad. So this is a set that I got for Christmas of 2017. This came with the palette holder here, your little holder set. It also came with this planner right here, which always has looks every single month, which is what we do. We do the look for the month. And I never sneak peek, so I have no idea what the look like that we're going to do today is. And then it came with the palette. So this is the Best Year Ever 2018 palette. And this is what it looks like. I really like this set because it gives me ideas of what kind of stuff I should do. It also came with a Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. I don't always use this mascara because I have a few different other ones, but I always make sure that I use as many Too Faced products as I own to do this look, since it's like a monthly Too Faced look basically. And then it also came with a melted matte in the color Sellout, but I can't find it right this moment, so I'm going to use this Too Faced melted color in Chihuahua, or I'll use this Too Faced lipstick in Double Bubble, depending on what the looks like. So if it's more of a neutral look, I'll do this. If it's more of a crazy look that this will look good on, I'll do that. So let's go ahead and, oh yeah, really quick. Also, I'm going to be using some new brushes. I shared these in a live review video that I did, and I said I was going to do a Too Faced look and try these out. This comes with a brush cleaner, a sponge, and then it comes with a bunch of brushes. So these are all the white handled brushes. If you see me using these white handled brushes in this video, that means that I really like them, or I'm gonna, at least try using them, and I'll let you guys know at the end what I think. Other than that, if you see me switch to a different kind of brush, I'll probably try to explain it down below, like this. I couldn't find a good brush to do this with, blah blah blah. So hopefully it works out really good. I'm excited to try these out. These are called Baby Bear, if you guys have never heard of that. But that's what it says on all the brushes. So it's Baby Bear, B-A-B-I Bear. And as you guys can see, they're not even open. Not even used yet, you guys. These are brand new. So I'm excited to dive into this. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the look for this month is going to be. So the one we last did was August, and this was Dream Come True. So now we're going to do the September one. Let's go ahead and see. I'm excited. What do we have? September. Paris is better than sex is what it says for Paris right here. The look we're going to do is called When in Paris. Ooh, I like the look of this look. Look at this. So how this works is that I do this look and I follow each step exactly as it says. And then I fast forward through this and I show you guys at the bottom exactly what this says. So it says number 1, apply Snow Day from crease to brow bone. I'll have that written down below as a speed through so you guys can see what colors I use and exactly what this says. So you can try to recreate it with similar colors, or if you get your hands on just this palette and someone wants to keep the planner, then now you can follow along with this and do a look. So let's go ahead and get started. quick, I just want to let you guys know the other items that I added as well. I added the Too Faced Perfect Eyes Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm mixed on this one because I like how easy it goes on, but at the same time, it's kind of like messy. If you guys would see what I'm saying, it's like super, super dark. So like, it's hard to just, when I put it on my waterline, it like smudges onto my lower line. So I have to try to clean it up too. So I don't know if I'm going to keep using this anymore. I think I'm going to try to use something else next time. I know I always try to use Too Faced stuff, but this is kind of like messing up my look. It's got like a smudger part right over here at the end that I might be able to like smudge it out to make it look a little bit better. I don't know. But I don't know. I don't really like this a whole lot. That's just my personal preference. If you guys have this and you like it, let me know. Or if you have any tricks. But I don't know. This just isn't working well for me. I might try using it like as just a wing liner or something. Maybe it'll work better. And then for the mascara this month, I used my Too Faced Size Queen. I do really like this mascara. I didn't think I would. The wand is abnormal, like huge, ginormous wand, but I do like this mascara a lot. So that's what I used for this. And then for my lips, I use the Too Faced Melted in Chihuahua. So that's what it looks like. Okay, really quick, I'm going to show you guys the picture and show you my look. You guys want to let me know what you think. As you guys know, I'm not a pro or anything, so it's just me trying these looks out. This way, doing it this way, you guys can see what it's like for, you know, just someone that plays with makeup. You know how well they can do, then you know how well you can do. Because if I can do it, you can do it. So let me know what you guys think of this look. I will have some pictures of like with this and just pictures of the look so you guys will see it in different lighting as well. So hopefully you guys like watching these. I can't wait to do the October one next as well. Yay. Let me know if you guys are excited to see the October one. I have no, like I said, never sneak peek, so we have no clue what it's going to look like, so I'm excited. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then comment down below. Say hi. Let me know if you guys are excited for the October look. Let me know what you guys think of this look. And I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your week. And I will see you guys later. Bye.